This is simple. We are going to turn this over. First things first, we're going to remove these top 3 screws. They are a longer Phillips head than what the remaining 7 are. So we're just going to take these out real quick. Next, we're going to remove the plate. Pretty straightforward, and this thing is nasty on side. Whew. All right, we're got a nice anti-stack. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to disconnect the power using a little nylon lifter, if you will. I use mine out of my iFixit kit. Always disconnect power first. And that's undone. And what we're going to do here is we're going to very simply toggle these out. There's these little tabs on the side. Take out the old DIMMs one at a time. Same thing for below. And then we're going to put in the new ones. In this case, we're going from a total of 4 gigs of RAM up to a total of 16 gigs. So pretty straightforward. We're going to line up the little notch with the bottom one first. Snap in, push down. Same thing, top one. Push in, snap down, and your memory's installed. It's that simple. Next, swap out the hard drive. First thing you need to do is remove this tension bar. Get that ready for later. Take this out just by the tab, and we are going to unplug the SATA. Pull carefully, you don't want to ruin the ribbon or do any damage. Pretty straightforward. Then we're going to take this tab off. We're going to save this for when we install the new one. It's got enough residual adhesive on there to work on the new one. We're going to remove these with a Torx 6 screw bit, as we will need these to go into the new drive. We are going from a 500 gigabyte Toshiba